everyone, it's Tammy at Small Town RV here in Mallard, Iowa. Today we're going to take a look at a Coachmen Catalina. This is a 2020. Model is 343 BHS. It does have an outside kitchen. Now this unit just arrived. It is sold, but I do want to show you the floor plan. It's kind of unique as you are able to choose either a rear bunk room or a second queen bed. As we enter, you'll see the solid step. We'll just make our way inside. Come over here to the right, you will see the front queen bedroom with overhead storage. There's also storage below. A nice closet. Here you have a second closet. Now that closet's actually prepped for washer and dryer. Over here on this side, you can see a built-in dresser. So we swing out this way, you'll see your control panel as well as your kitchen. Storage underneath. We make our way back out and you will see your entertainment center. There you have your TV, your stereo, your fireplace. Again, lots of storage. Anywhere they could add storage, they did. Here you have a jackknife couch with overhead storage. A booth dinette, which will fold down for extra sleeping. A nice pantry in the back. As we swing over this way, you'll get a better view of your kitchen. There you have your freezer, refrigerator, your microwave, your stove, and your oven. Here's a better look at your kitchen counter with your double bowl sink. We'll come back here and we'll take a look at the bathroom. So in here you have a corner shower, a medicine cabinet, your vanity. Now, as I mentioned before, this floor plan, you're able to choose either a bunk room in the back or a second queen bed back here. This one obviously has the bunk room. You have your entertainment area, as well as a place to put all of their things. So you have a bunk on this side, nice big window in the back. There you have an upper bunk, and then this one comes with the cubes, which also fold out for extra sleeping. So lots of sleeping in this unit. For more information on this unit or any units we have to offer, please check out our website at Small Town RV. And as always, like and follow us on Facebook to stay up to date with all of the latest news. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I thank you. Have a great day.